close it all the way. It still got a creaky. Oh, shit. Yeah, oh, shit, man. Oh. Shut up.
See why you can't take her? You can't take her no motherfucker because she don't know how to act.
Anyway, my friend, forget about it.
And we back on this goddamn elevator.
You better have that damn lighter.
No, I don't.
Give me this cigarette.
Stop that shit.
It ain't right there. Must be back in the room. It ain't right there.
It gotta be in the room.
Where you go back in there?
Stop. See? Told you to stop.
We can smoke this one together.
And then done. You said you want to fucking. Y'all, she over here got the fucking alarm going off on the damn thing. Get up. Candy camera.
She ain't come back up.
Who ain't?
We gotta go down the stairs.
Who ain't come back up?
Stairs. I'm just playing. I don't even know where I came from. I came that way on the stairs. He know what.
Oh, bitch.
Oh, God!
Right. Because
That
I
she
saw
kill.
you. Try to blame it on somebody.
Oh shit, no.
Go come out.
Is that a tres leches?
Oh my god.
Is that that milk cake shit?
But there's some butt to it.
Wait, I'm getting hot.
Yes. So let me break it down to you how you finna get it.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, my daddy and Jalen said Pete's got to come home with
Yeah,
us too.
yeah.
Okay.
The cake itself is 800 milligrams.
God damn.
The milk itself
I want to get
is
copyrighted.
infused.
Oh, we fucked up.
The whipped topping is infused. Oh, wait.
Listen, but wait, that is not it.
The sugar topping.
Is there?
Can of sugar.
Oh my God. Better be and walking like some zombies lit.
They're closer to the beach than we are.
Yeah, they are closer to the beach than
You
we
about
are.
to get fucked up.
I should have got a room over here.
Our room is nice.
I was not about a little 30-minute mark. That ain't bad.
30 minutes.
How far y'all from here?
What was that?
17.
17. For real?
Y'all. Had to get myself. I didn't even do my intro. I didn't even do my intro, so I'm gonna have to make another one and do the intro. Oh yes. Drink.
What y'all want? All brown liquor over here.
Yeah.
I left the white.
Oh shit. I do some.
There you go. Fireball.
My shit.
I do some jack.
Fireball?
I do a jack.
No, you gonna do a fireball right now.
I'm trying to kill me with this shit.
Oh, wait a minute. I thought my niece could drink with me.
I can drink. I'm coming.
Vlog for you.
Yeah.
They're trash.
What's wrong? You know, I gotta use
They're trash. Look at this view. Look at this view, dude.
That's what Jay would be doing.
Look at this fucking view, dude.
Vlogging is like vlogging your whole life. Okay,
Yes, sir.
vlog your whole life or whatever. Videotape your whole life.
It's chocolate stallion right here.
If you go anywhere you go, you can vlog it, make it long, and post it on YouTube, and people watch.
You gotta cut that. You gonna have to cut that part. Yeah. You already know. Dark skin in the building. My brother back there with the dark skin. Ooh, melanin. Melanin.
Make sure you do
You're
it.
making me feel real white right now. Talking about melanin.
I'm
Okay.
sorry.
One of my friends.
You know,
I'm so
I
sorry.
got a 10 since I've been out here.
I'm so sorry.
Well, wait till I get
I'm
up.
so sorry.
I need 3 more shades before I go back.
I might need some of y'all mama to stop talking about my ass shit.
Yeah, pay.
Yeah, I gonna take one. 2, go ahead, right here. Y'all gotta take one.
I ain't had a fireball since the last time me and you drunk together.
Where do you want to eat it? Because you want some.
Alligator, I found a place.
Okay. Alligator. We went to the pier the other day.
We're going there tomorrow too, because I need to go. They got Pandora store. I got to go.
And I want to play this video game.
The virtual.
All right.
Yeah.
When,
After this,
tomorrow?
no, after this, we're about to take you to this, and then we're gonna go eat. And
Then I'm
that's tomorrow.
That's good.
I'm
That's
12.
really good.
I'm gonna be lying here, no damn sleep, and I'm ready to kill you.
All right, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Oh, y'all took all of it?
Yeah.
I got the shot.
Oh, okay. Me and Ruby took. I said, wait a minute.
It tastes like the little ball.
I'm cheating too.
It tastes like
I ain't had Fireball the last time you was drinking it. That's years ago.
Okay.
So, can we walk to the beach from here? It's 30 minutes.
It's 30 minutes.
It's a 30-minute walk.
You
But some exercise. You know, for Shakira, she don't care.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk just to look at the city. And then walk the same.
You honestly, like, we was in Miami. 30 minutes ain't shit, because
Everybody walk.
South Beach. So,
I told her that in Miami, everybody walking.
It's just we around home with crackers, and we might end up getting
Crackers?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh no, my friend.
It's so funny because every time we was at the pool, right? White
Yeah.
people come out.
This right here, look.
Be you. Can't say yo.
We was like, yeah, look.
All right, y'all. Gotta go, kings and queens, aliens and alienettes, and my mystical mother. Shut your mouth, creatures. It's me, Storm, and I'm back with another vlog. I didn't vlog the other day because we stayed in all day, except for my mom. She went out, did what she wanted to do. Me and Shaquille slept in. Shaquille. We slept in.
You know, listen.
Don't start. What? You ain't got nothing to say? Oh. So we're about to go to the beach. I wish I could. This is what I have on, guys. Don't mind all of this crap. This is what I have on today. So we're going to the beach and some other stuff. About to go see the Venice and Ruben.
Here you go.
Eating gummies, edibles. It's weird sex.
Breakfast of champions.
It's weird sex. It's weird sex. It's weird sex. Okay, I'm going back and put it on her anyway, because she got an accident. You've been acting funny. It's time to go.
Look, I got these.
That's what I was looking for, my damn shade. To represent the taste the rainbow. I don't like these.
Give them back.
I don't like them. I don't like them, guys.
They look cute on me.
Well, I just had my damn shade. You know what I did with them. Oh well. I'm trying to be looking for it. Don't feel like it. So, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Supposed to go play some virtual game and or whatever. I don't know. Hopefully it's fun. I'm gonna make sure that I vlog today so you guys could get a gist of what we're doing today. I'm probably just gonna be the only one talking because, you know, baby mother is kind of boring.
We are not boring. How rude. How fucking rude. I know you better find a face mask because when you go into Ripley, you're going to have to have one.
Let me tell you something. I stay suited and booted. Black lives matter.
You keep talking junk, your life ain't going to matter. We going to black lives you out.
We're going to 2 pieces of biscuit. Poo, 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 poo.
I am bad.
Shut the hell up, Shakira. She's talking shit. She stay talking shit. All right, guys, gotta go. Okay, guys, we are in the elevator. I don't know what's going on.
Look at Shakira. She was like going to do this shit.
Yeah, we on the first floor. Let's go. We're going side door. So, we are headed out to the beach. We're going to the beach. Ma is ghetto and loud.
Your daddy.
Fuck that thing. So, yeah. What?
Smell a little fish. Fish stink back.
Fish steak back.
Fish and it stink when the wind blow it back. Fish stink back.
Oh, yeah, that's what you got to do.
I think that's what I did.
Mm-hmm. That is what you did. they over there barbecuing fish. They over there barbecuing. Y'all can see, I don't know. But we about to get our day started. About to turn the fork. Oh,
Why he didn't put his over there? They got him.
scary.
No, but they told us that.
Yeah, I'm just trying to go home because cigarettes is normal prices. I need my 3 for $20.
Right.
Here you go.
It's a Shaquille. It's a cup holder back there.
Pull the seat down in the middle.
I ain't never seen people barbecue at a hotel outside unless it was like a barbecue thing out there. I never seen somebody bring their own.
I guess that's what that little stand right there is for.
I ain't never seen somebody bring their own barbecue.
What? You could have put it towards you. You gotta turn this thing now.
All aboard the choo-choo train. It's hot as finnock.
Oh, see?
I need a cigarette. I have to buy some more.
Look.
Oh yeah, we gotta buy some more. You want a cigarette, Shaquille?
No, I'm about to hit this boy.
The blunt?
That's what you got to tell me. Remind me
What?
to roll it.
Oh yeah, I did.
We could roll on you to the beach, but do we have weed in the car?
I got weed.
To the beach, it be windy on the beach. That's why I roll it.
Look, man.
I break the
Then
blunt
sit
down.
in the car and roll it while we in the grocery store. Oh, and I found a black station. Oh, we can't vlog with the black station.
It's okay. I'll be back, guys. Gotta go. What's up, y'all? We're back. We at the beach. Got Shaquille over here. We're drinking on some Bacardis. How you feeling, Shaquille? Your stomach feel good? She ate her good. Tell them what you ate.
A sub, tuna sub,
What it had on?
spinach,
And what else?
and cucumbers,
And
and banana peppers, pickles, mayo,
spicy mustard, mayo.
and some type of cheese.
And and she had some Cheetos.
Yeah, but the cheese is nasty.
Ma over here getting brown.
Yes, I am. I gotta get brown before I get back to Atlanta.
We got the Venus over here chilling. Yeah, I'm gonna get nice and drunk and get in this goddamn water. Look at it. You said what? You trash. It's a beautiful day today.
I like the when we got a call out. I can get more pride. So here we go.
I was down there.
All the way down there.
One of them last few hotels.
Uh-huh.
I think that's how far I was. And then off in the cut is where the old lady stayed. But we walked the beach. By tonight, I'm gonna walk all the way down and walk back. Just to do it. Because, you know, on that right there, don't hurt your feet. It's solid.
Okay. That'll be fun.
Just walking. Just to say you did it. Then walk back. Vlogging. See how they doing it?
Yeah.
Sitting down. Catching that wind. And holler.
I go underwater and I come back and just try to put on my regular glasses. My eyes are blood out red. I can't see about 10 minutes.
Okay, y'all, we out here sunbathing. Shaquille chocolate. Look at that chocolate. Baby. All the glory is glistening. Ooh. I know you can't. That's sun. She is bathing. Sun. I can't open this eye. I gotta keep. Sorry, y'all, if I'm kind of special, but the sun is in the face. Y'all see, I got a tan. I ain't gonna lay on your stomach. Yeah, same. Yeah. Look, I can do that.
So, what do you like the most since we've been out here?
Since we've been out, no, I hate the fucking food out here. But Sonic was pretty good.
Yeah, I like Sonic. But I think it's just the little areas that I done found. It's been my favorite.
Yeah, I think my favorite is really being at the beach. I'm not gonna lie, and seeing the scenery.
What? You kicked it over? My mojito?
Oh, my drink.
giving that
There's a
ass.
trash can behind y'all.
We know
That's not
Sarah.
trash. Oh, this. Shaquille.
No, I'm saying there's a trash can right there.
No, Sarah. I just...
You got sand all in your
okay,
hair.
my bad.
Y'all want my other towel?
No. Who's this vlogging?
We're just vlogging.
What's your cute hat?
Yeah. She can rinse that out.
I was just letting you know.
No. But yeah, Shaquille, come back.
I don't know. We could do it. We could do it.
We're gonna get
I enjoyed going outside and meeting the white girl and the black boys.
That was fun.
That was fun. Yeah.
I feel like we were supposed to be there.
Yeah, for a reason. Because if we wasn't, something bad probably would have happened.
Yep. It probably wouldn't have went down like that.
Nah, yeah. Yeah.
It went down. It probably would have been on some.
It was some crazy. So that was nice, meeting new people and talking. And yeah, we drunk all this young boy liquor. We drunk all
As
his
we
liquor.
should.
So what was your favorite?
Just finding a little spots that I found.
Yeah.
And just being here, period. New atmosphere.
Yeah. It's so beautiful out here. It's peaceful. Very peaceful and calming.
Yeah, but this is the period where you'll see dolphins. You know that, right?
Yeah.
You know that, right, Mom? Mom,
Oh, she talking about the dolphins?
I said this is the period where the dolphins come up at.
Okay, great.
I ain't gonna be out there. I'm scared.
I got sand all in my drink, guys. It's in it. It's right here. I'm still gonna drink it because you done?
Outside of the
done, baby?
window, there was a webbed humanoid.
Oh, we talking about it.
You can see it real close.
So, all right, guys, we'll be back when we're a little bit more wasted. What's up, y'all? You know, I'm out here. What's up, y'all? I'm back again. What? Ma done made the cigarette into a joint, y'all. She did a smoke. Yeah, we got these drinks. Yes, we on the beach getting towed up from the motherfucking flow up. Been drinking on some motherfucking Bacardi. Okay, do you hear me? I'm living my best. What? Girl, she thought she was finna smoke a joint.
No, this ain't it.
Then get
He
another
all
one.
in my damn business.
Ooh.
Uncle Man and the rescue van.
Well, shit, it's a cigarette anyway. So, you know, all these white folks over here staring at us because it ain't really that many black people out here. Like, they don't smoke motherfucking weed. Like, they don't smoke that shit. We all smoke that shit.
You don't methamphetamine, you smoke weed. You ain't smoking weed with you smoking.
You ain't smoking weed, that's why you got a motherfucking attitude.
That's what it is. Damn, Mom, slow down.
Damn, slow down, Mom.
Why?
Oh, that's
Hey,
but
when the
it
sun
ain't
go down,
going
it
nowhere.
get a little tough.
At 7, it might go down. But right now, we still in
Ain't
the
going
making.
nowhere.
You know, every other day, at 8 o'clock, it be dog.
Mm-hmm.
8 o'clock, I feel like it's still gonna look beautiful.
But here it don't. It still be brighter out here. Like, y'all look at the water. Look at them out there. Because I can't flip it. You know,
Damn, he done fell.
yeah, we out here living our best.
Best life, birthday life.
It's Gemini season. If y'all know, it's Gemini season. B. My birthday coming up.
Look at him walking down.
My birthday coming up. Just letting you know.
It's still my birthday.
But it's still it's Gemini season.
Turn up.
It's still her birthday. Hey, you talking about?
And we out.
I ate your shit, yeah, cool. I ate it. That shit was good. Hold on.
He said, wait, I was coming to get that shit.
Yeah. Hold on. Hey, hold on. Oh, shit, 2 of y'all. Hold on. Just one chip, one person. One chip, one. Oh, I'm finna cry.
Then put your damn hand down over there looking crazy. Because I'm going to record it.
Man, get the shit
Shaquille is feeding the birds, y'all.
I can't go. Hold on. Hey, nigga,
What I say? You gonna be scared in a minute.
you welcome. You
It's like that, yeah.
Y'all welcome. Brad. And on my motherfucking shoes.
You tired?
I'm scared.
I know you were trying to be cool.
Because I am the bird watcher. Look, I got my friends there. They're eating. Then go your ass there.
Yeah, if them birds would have came full throttle on her ass, she would have had a whole motherfucking heart attack. I'm telling you.
That was hard though.
I know.
Look at them just eating. They like.
Y'all, I'm out here living my motherfucking best life. I was in the ocean. It was pulling me. My hair is like, wow, that sun is in my face. Like, ta-da-da, pa-pa, wow, you know what I mean? But my mom and Shaquille just went up there to the pier. Over here. Went to the pier to go get us some more drinks, which will be I don't even know how many motherfucking drinks that is, you know. But they going to the pier. My mom going to get something to eat. We're going to get some more drinks. We're going to be out here all motherfucking night because this is our last day here, our last night here. So yeah, we're just gonna be out here all night getting fucked up. Hopefully I can get Shaquille to get me in the water, but she's so scary. Even though my phone is waterproof, she's so scared to just go in the water. We just now being able to just go like kind of deep in there because she cannot swim. I am the only one that knows how to swim. So, and even me knowing how to swim and being in the ocean, it's a little difficult because, you know, when I'm wet, when them waves are pulling you, it's like, oh shit. And that's how I was feeling, like, oh my God. So you see people back there doing volleyball, whatever. I just or playing football. I just want you guys to enjoy the scenery, just like I am enjoying the scenery. And we're also going to a museum that has games in it. If we don't go to the museum that has game in it, I'm going to vlog us going to this virtual game that's on the pier in Panama City Beach. So look at the waves. It's just beautiful. And y'all, I was on that bridge over there. The last vlog, I was on that big ass bridge. I went all the way out there. And if you know me, you know that I'm terrified to be on a bridge underneath water because that's my worst fear. I feel like even driving on a bridge underneath water, all windows must be down because if you think about it logically, if you go overboard, say you get in a car accident or whatever, which is bad, you know, I'm not trying to say negative things, but say you get in a car accident, I feel like you should be prepared because a lot of people go overboard into the water and then they can't get out of their cars, you know? So I think you should have a knife or something in your car, in your windows, all your windows should be down going over a bridge with water in it. So if you go overboard, you can just hop out of the goddamn window and be saved. That's just me. But I'll be back. Gotta go.